2packs magnetic charging cable, 540 degrees rotating magnetic phone charger, 3-in-1 magnetic charger cable, nylon braided magnetic USB cable. For micro USB, Type-C device, 3M/2M. Shape: round. Surface finishing type: glossy. Connector polarity: male to female. Material: nylon. Input connector type: Type A. Output connector type: Type C. Input and output power: 10-20 W. Data transmission: yes. Power mode: USB charging. Wire core material: oxygen-free copper. Buy the best products at the most favorable prices in Sellines network.